People, I want to start off this by saying to big up to everybody. I'm not even doing an intro this morning. Me just want to say big up to all of my viewers and my supporters them. Because this morning I am so upset and so disappointed. And I want to start off this by saying, Shelly and Fraser Price, Jamaica love you. Jamaica appreciate you. We are disappointed in the fact that you haven't run in the 100-meter finals, right? Because you weren't given the chance to go into that semi-finals. But we love you. You have done so much for Jamaica. You are our pocket rocket. You are our super mommy, right? Shelly and Fraser, take your break from track and field gracefully. Because you have done so much for Jamaica. And your fans across the world and across Jamaica and everywhere love you and appreciate you. With that said, I have said this before that something is not right with this Paris Olympics. Something is just not right. I think Jamaican athletes are targeted in some way, somehow, some form. Yesterday, this British young man fast starting his race, right? But yet still, for whatever reason, Thompson was given a warning, right? For whatever reason, he smiled. He took that warning and he smiled. I went on, people, and I watched the heats for the men 100 meters. I watched Noah Lyles eats, and I watched Thompson eats, right? I recorded both the eats from my phone and the television, from the same source, right? And I posted these eats on my TikTok. Noah Lyles eats went through perfectly fine. I'm just saying this. Here is the proof, guys. Here is the proof. You can see where copyright claims is on Kishane video, and you can see where Noah Lyles video continue to climb. So, when I posted both the videos, Noah Lyles videos was perfectly fine. And I did a voiceover over those videos, right? And there was no copyright claims to Noah Lyles videos, but there was copyright claims to Kishane video. So I took down Kishane video and said probably it was sound in the background or something. And I checked to see that there was no writing of where I got this source I got the video from or anything. I could have gotten it from anywhere. And then I did my voiceover again and reposted back the video. I still got a copyright claims. And up to today, I had to remove Kishane Thompson video, and Noah Lyles video is still there trending. What does that say to you? Both videos are from the same source. Exactly the same source. I've recorded them the same way. I've done the exact same thing with them. But Noah Lyles video is still standing up to today. And Kishane Thompson video is no more. You understand? And I did a video about that I think Jamaica is set up to fail. And there is something seriously wrong with the Olympics when it comes down to Jamaican athletes. And what did I wake up to? Shelly and Fraser Price didn't perform in the 100-meter finals. Big up to St. Lucia. Big up to you, girl, who take it home. Big up to St. Lucia. Whole heap for that. You understand? Because guess what? There is so much focus on this Noah Lyles and Sha'Carri Robinson. You understand? That they try to block everybody else. I don't blame the athletes because all their job is just to run. But I blame the people around them who's trying to push this notion that they are the best, blah, 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 and will do anything to ensure that they win. You understand? People, somebody like Shelly and Fraser, who the entire world know. From you know about track and field and know about women 100 meter, you have to know Shelly and Fraser. Who could have mistaken Shelly and Fraser at the Olympics Games for whatever she wants to do? For whatever the rules were. For some reason, Shelly and Fraser was barred from going on to the warm-up track for whatever reason. That's what I have heard, right? Shelly and Fraser haven't come straight out and said it, right? But based on what is going around right now, she has been barred from warming up, and then later on she was let inside. And one piece of drama. What kind of drama could be surrounded by Shelly-ANN Fraser Pryce? And she is the top woman up there with Sha'Carri Robinson. Right? Robinson, Richardson, something like that. Right? People, I look into this and I say, Lico Jamaica is getting a serious fight at the Olympics Games. Why? Why is Jamaica getting so much fight at the Olympics game? I am not surprised if I hear that Kishane Thompson, something goes wrong with him too and he wasn't able to perform in the finals. Or even the semi. The semi-finals is 1 hour away from the finals. Noah Lyles has been given the easiest semi-finals ever when he came in second in his heats. Kishane dragged his way to a 10 second. And guess what? He's in one of the hardest semi-finals that you can think of. Where one mistake and he's like that, he lose out on the finals. And you are telling me it's not set up for Noah Lyles to come out on top, and it wasn't set up for Sha'Carri Richardson or Robbie Richardson to come out on top. But guess what? There was a massive upset from St. Lucia. There was a massive upset. People, it is all clear. I don't know what it is. Yes, Jamaica, whether all these big countries or whatever they may be, Jamaica, when it comes on to athletics, is the bread basket. They are the top. They are the best. No matter what no one think. Right? This was meant to be Shelly-ANN Fraser Pryce last Olympic Games. So this was supposed to leave as a reminder for her. She was supposed to leave a mark here for this Olympics. And this is what was left. Not by her own doing, I would assume. You understand? But she has encountered something which caused her not to perform in the semi-final, which way automatically removes her from the final. People, it doesn't matter what they have taken away or what they have done. Shelly-ANN don't Fraser Pryce, don't you worry if you get to perform, to give us that farewell performance in the 100 meter. You haven't run in the 100 meter and I'm still excited. It come like you're still winning. You understand what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, people, everybody should get their fair chance. I know every country want the athlete to win because this is the most publicized thing, the women's 100 meter and the men's 100 meter. So other countries will do anything to make sure the athletes win it. Right? But sabotaging another athlete is not the way to go. And as I say, I don't know what is going on at the Olympics Games in Paris. I am not making any accusations or anything, but I think something is not right when it comes on to Jamaican athletes in Paris Olympics 2024 right now. See there? Our top female 100 meter sprinter wasn't given a chance. For what reason? Why did she have to withdraw? What happened? You don't just withdraw from a semi-finals like that. When everybody is looking forward to you going out there, probably wouldn't gotten gold. Probably would even gotten silver, but would have definitely gotten a medal. And with our pocket rocket, there is no guarantee you can't just counter out like that. So, I don't know if this was definitely a sabotage for Shelly-ANN Fraser Pryce. But people, Shelly-ANN, let me tell you this. We only disappointed see you no care won the medal. Because we know we would get a medal. We're disappointed that you didn't participate in the 100 meter. But Shelly-ANN, it takes nothing from you. It takes nothing from the way us Jamaicans love you. You understand? You are the best to ever do it, Shelly-ANN Fraser Pryce. You are the best to ever do it and they can never take that away. So whether or not you gave us that farewell performance in the 100 meter, Shelly-ANN, we still love you. You're still with Pocket Rocket. You're still with Super Mama Athlete, Shelly-ANN Fraser Price. And we're proud of you. You are still with Hero anyway you take it. So no matter what one, Shelly-ANN, I know yourself is disappointed in not performing. But guess what? We love you just the same. It not take nothing away. Because when you do, you are the best to ever do it. And we still now go find one to do it better than you anytime soon. Believe. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. Believe no man. You not fi ask nobody nothing. And nobody not fi tell you nothing. I just 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe.